It is time to break back into your lunch money snack pack and give you, I love it. I do. And give you the information that's going to feed your trades all day long. Alix, I know you're over at the NYMEX. Give us a little something.
Yep, your commodity snack pack. Watch that oil demand. Jeff Grossman at the NYMEX here telling me that oil prices are going to hit $90 a barrel before they hit $70 as demand picks up in the back half of the year.
And in currencies, Alix, Citigroup's Stephen Englander, head of G10 Foreign Exchange Strategy, says investors are not putting their money where their mouths are when it comes to the euro. Expect more declines, more weakness, because all that disappointment hasn't been priced in yet.
And Sarah, I'm watching what's happening for the options market snack pack here. It doesn't matter if you're bullish, bearish, or neutral on Facebook. Use the options and not the stock to play that view here. That's what BGC's Richard Anthony says. So that's your snack pack and options. Steph, what are you watching?
And in the bond market, JP Morgan's Jan Lowy says bond managers are not quite long duration at the moment. So expect further upside of 10 to 20 basis points in 10-year treasuries. And Adam, if treasuries aren't enough for you, dip a toe in the credit markets where yield resides.
Yes, and as you point out, on the shorter end of the curve, because you don't know what's going to happen going out a little farther. Speaking of not knowing what's going to happen, it just might be easier, as you hear guys like Jan Loys talk about the challenges in equities right now, to step aside, looking for selling opportunities. And of course, Jan making the case that there are very few groups where you actually want to be long utilities and technology. That's one area he likes. But, people don't necessarily realize, Steph, the NASDAQ is up about 9.5% this year. All right.
This year.
And the S&P is up 4.5%. So, in other words, if you're thinking, oh, I can't sell on a down 150 kind of day, guess what? You sell on a day like this, in theory, you're still up on the year. You're still making money. It feels a lot worse than maybe it really is.
But you're actually talking long-term fundamentals,
yes.
And that's not how the market has been trading this year. Remember, guys like Bill Gross, who are fundamental guys, they had a rough 2011, and we came into 2012 all about trading and being nimble. And those who are focused on that, well, they're looking at the Dow, and in the last three of the last 4 trading sessions, the Dow has been down. So even though fundamentally things may be a positive, if you actually get technical, tough for investors to sell on a day like this.
Yes, it is, but hence the point. Maybe it's too hard. Step aside, look for selling opportunities in stocks.